Hello student, let's continue with the part 4 of the light chapter. Now in this case we'll be talking about regular reflections and diffuse reflection as you have seen on the screen. This image is also there on your textbook and you can go through that. In a regular reflection, you'll find that the reflections will happen only on a smooth surface or a straight surface, just like the mirror, where the reflected ray will be parallel to one another as you have seen here. And in this case, our image will be very clear and sharp. That's why when you see yourself in the mirror, you find very clear, you can see image. So this is because of the regular reflection. But in this case, like say where the surface is rough, like you can see the wall, then maybe the road and all, the surface are not very straight, or I will say they are curved surface, if you look proper, through the lens, or I will say something like that. Then in this case, the reflection, or I will say the reflected ray will not be parallel to one another. And in this case, the image will not very clear, So this is called diffuse reflection. So go through the textbook and check it down. In the next diagram, we'll be talking about multiple reflection. So in this case, let me go straight forward here. This is your mirror, which is placing to one another, two mirror placing to one another at right angle. And if you place, a candle in front of your mirror, you'll find there will be a image that form, maybe 3 or 4 of them. This type of, reflection is called multiple reflection. You can check this also from your textbook. After that, I'll quickly go now to the next part, that is called the human eye. Human eye, in reality, is like a ball, not like a circle, So this ball, it is actually made up of a clear jelly, And there are different parts of this, you can say, of this human eye. Some of them are called lens, some are pupil, cornea. We'll talk about them now, just, in a brief. Lens, the purpose of this one is to, refracted the light and cast on the screen, which is they are called the retina. Then after that, the pupil and the cornea here, they are just like a protection, against the lens, Then after that, the ciliary muscle, they are holding down our lens, And this iris, what that you see here, just like in a brown color, it is also sometimes responsible for the color. You can say, to identify the color. All right. Now, what happened here is that the retina, it's a very important part for you to understand that when the light will fall on the lens and cast on this retina, then only the image will be formed here on the retina. When the image form on the retina, then only we can see. That means whatever we see through our eyes, actually it is casting on this retina. By chance, if it is not casting on the retina, like maybe due to some problem of the lens, then in that case we will not be able to see properly. This is sometimes called defect of vision, which we'll be talking a bit later. Then after that, we have also the next one here called the optic nerves. Yes, you have to know about this optic nerves very well. See, whatever we look or whatever we see in our, you can say, environment, we understand it is because of our brain, not because of our eye. So how this is possible? This is possible through our optic nerves. That means through optic nerves, a signal is sent to our brain so that the brain will make you understand that what you see. So this is very important for you to understand. And a blind spot is the spot where, you can say there is no image form here. Now, what you have to do is that go through this particular topic of human eye, read whatever is there on your textbook. And I want you to do one more thing. This is homework for you. You can draw this human eye, on your science copy, and you will show me, as you used to do every now and then. All right, and I'll see you in the next class.